Welcome to the VIOLA Decor Studio channel. Today, we are going to make a stylish vase out of a regular glass goblet. We'll create a beautiful silver-plated effect on plain glass. To get a flawless result, it is crucial to thoroughly degrease the glass and wipe away any fingerprints. From this point on, make sure to handle the glass without touching the areas you plan to decorate. I'm using a standard window cleaner to degrease it. Next, we'll be working with silver leaf and its specific mediums. First, we need to apply a special glue for metal leaf, called miction. I prefer applying the glue with a foam sponge because a brush leaves distinct brush strokes, which wouldn't look very nice on such smooth glass. However, I want to achieve an effect where the silver doesn't cover the entire vase perfectly, so I'll start by applying the glue with a small piece of a crumpled plastic bag. Crumple the bag so its surface is uneven, and use it to dapply the glue onto the desired area. In my case, the middle section of the goblet vase. This method allows for an uneven application, leaving some spots clean. Moving further down, I switch to the foam sponge to create a denser, gap-free layer of glue. Please note that the sponge can leave tiny air bubbles on the surface. It's important to dab the glue with the sponge until these bubbles disappear. Remember to tap or pounce the surface rather than wiping or smudging it. Leave the miction glue to air dry until it reaches a tacky state when your finger sticks to it, but no residue is left on your skin. I don't recommend using a hairdryer, as it can quickly over-dry out the miction. Once the glue has reached the perfect tackiness, it's time to apply the silver leaf. You can use silver leaf sheets or flakes. Flakes will add an extra beautiful texture. You can also mix things up and use not just pure silver, but silver and gold, or gold and copper flakes. Place the silver leaf sheets onto the glued surface. Gently press the leaf down using a dry fan brush. Make sure the silver leaf covers the entire area you planned. Please share this video with your friends so more people can join our creative journey. Next, use the fan brush to sweep away all the excess leaf. The leaf will only stick to where the glue was applied, so it will easily come off the rest of the surface. Afterward, take a soft woolen cloth or a large, soft synthetic brush and buff the surface until it's as smooth as you like. Now, you can support the channel by becoming a sponsor. The membership options include exclusive video tutorials and training sessions from me. I'd love to create beautiful things together with you. You can find all the details in the video description. Now, we move on to a crucial step, protecting the silver leaf from oxidation. Since a vase constantly comes into contact with water, the silver leaf will oxidize very easily without proper protection. To prevent this, we use alcohol-based shellac. It's not a final top coat varnish. Shellac's sole purpose is to protect against oxidation. So, coat it with shellac and let it air dry. Since it's alcohol-based, it dries pretty quickly. Just keep in mind that shellac adds a slight yellow tint, which will give the silver a lovely, slightly vintage look. If you don't plan on adding any more decorations like me, you can move straight to the final varnishing. However, if you want to add something else, like decoupage, stained glass painting, or anything else, you can safely continue decorating right over the shellac. The silver leaf will be perfectly fine. Since I want to achieve a clean silver goblet effect, I won't be adding anything else and will proceed to the final varnish. There are special protective top coats designed specifically for metal leaf. I'm using one of those protective varnishes today. It's important to coat not just the silver leaf area, but the entire surface of the vase up to the rim. This will provide better protection for your decorated piece. Let it air dry completely. It's best to leave it for a few days. What do you think? Did we manage to create that slightly antique silver look? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I reply to everyone and would love to read your feedback and impressions. How do you like the final result? I am absolutely thrilled! The vase turned out so stylish and beautifully vintage. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let's keep creating together. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. With love, Anna, VIOLA Decor.